Hello everyone! By the way, I am Queenie Naseba Musor from Iligan City. Isa po akong former na guidance counselor but right now nag-full-time sa Online Business Academy. Despite of my very busy schedule when I was an employee, ginawan ko pa rin ng paraan na trabahuin itong online platform na ito for a reason na gusto natin magkaroon ng breakthrough sa buhay. And truly, with the help of our proven and effective copy and earn system and with the guidance of Mentor Albert Jasma, dito natin na-experience na kumita ng 6-digit income per month and we're in fact dito natin na-hit yung first million natin in 1 year time. And tayo po yung naging first Muslim Marino millionaire sa community ng Online Business Academy. Dito ko rin na-experience mabili yung mga wants, mga needs natin, and of course, slowly paying back to our parents. And syempre ngayon, ine-enjoy na po natin yung mga travels natin every year. And ngayon, ang total na po nakinita natin sa online platform na ito, that's around 3.5 million pesos. And nagawa ko rin pong mag-resign sa trabaho ko 4 years ago para gawin itong full-time. Kaya maraming salamat kay Mentor Albert Jasma and alam ko, ikaw na ang susunod.